Hi everyone, a video is worth a million pictures, whether you like it or not. Video marketing is the way of the future. Hi, my name is SK. So today I want to share with you tips and tricks in editing video using Canva. Please click the subscribe button so that you will get notification when new contents like this come out. So let's start with tip number one. Tip number one that I want to show you is how to add transition in between these two videos. Click on the plus sign and click add transition. So you can choose the transition here. And if let's say you choose dissolve, here you can choose the duration. You can make it longer or you can make it shorter. For slide, you can choose the direction. Now I want to show you how to add this element with transition. At first, add a page in between these two videos and go to Elements, select Graphics and search for Block Liquid and select this one. And now increase the size. Now add transition, choose circle wipe and direction is out, and here same, and the duration here adjust it to about 0.6 seconds. So this is the effect. You can frame this video by select elements and type frame, select the frame and just drag your video into the frame. Here you can see the shadow, so double click the video and enlarge it and adjust it. Do you know that you can also use GIPHY animated stickers in Canva? Like all of these? Just scroll down and select GIPHY and search for the sticker you want. I'm sure you also want to put background music for your video. In Canva, you can add maximum 20 audios. I show you how. Go to audio and select the music you want and drag it here. And if you want to get more beautiful and the music is too loud, you can adjust the volume. Click here, click volume and adjust it. And if you want to get more beautiful and free templates, you can try. Now I want to show you how to fade the audio in and out. Select the audio and click audio effects. This is before the fade in and out. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So now we adjust it. Fade in, let's say 3 seconds. Fade out 3 seconds. And we play it again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. This tip is about how to add animated elements into your video so that you can make your video more eye-catching. Let's say this is the video and you can go for elements. If your video is in round shape, then you can search for spinning circle. Let's say this one. You can put your video on top, go to position, click forward. Now I want to show you how to split page and add text. If you want this text to appear and disappear at only certain point of this video, select the timeline and click the play button and stop. If you want the text to appear at this point, put your cursor here and right click and click split page. So now the video has been split into two. Now select this timeline and click play. Stop if you don't want this text after this point. So same, put your cursor here and split the page. And now go back to the first clip. Select the text, delete it, and here do the same, delete it. And now you play the video. So you can see the text only come in and go off at the point you selected. You can also add your text in your video. Just click on text and you can choose at the heading, at the subheading or body text. And you just type your text here.
I love reading. I love coffee. And I enjoy reading a magazine and complemented with a cup of coffee. Hi everyone, SK here. I want to share with you.
Now let me show you how to add a voiceover to your videos. The video I recorded my voice is here. So you click on the transparency button because I have make it to 0. Same as this video. What you need to do is just split the page and add the text and adjust the transparency to 0. And this one, the last video, just remain it, so you will get the effect like this.
Alright, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And please click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and see you soon.